All right, we're down here by the Trilogy at Glen Trailer Park, and this is the water coming underneath Glen Road through the culverts there. And this is now going down into the catch basin here that the county has so wisely provided. If you look in the distance, you'll see the water is almost up to the top of the culverts that go underneath Trilogy, or rather Temescal Canyon Road. A lot of rain coming through here right now. This is all runoff coming down from Santiago Peak and the associated mountains up there in the Cleveland National Forest.